Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to save a journey on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to save a journey on Google Maps, first open up the Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, in order to save a journey on Google Maps, first let's type in the destination where we want to go at the top of the screen on the search bar. And let's type a location over here and let's search for it. And when you search for it, guys, this kind of direction is available for us. And at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the directions option available for us. Tap on the directions options and we will get the direction of that journey. Now, in order to save this journey on Google Maps, guys, there are two ways. In order to proceed, tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. And you can see, guys, either you can tap on the add route to home screen option over here, or you can tap on the share direction and get the link of that journey. So let's do both. Let's tap on the add route to home screen and let's tap on add, and that will be saved on our home screen over here. Yeah, guys, you can see I had added two of them. Let's remove one, and you can see there's a shortcut of the location or the route of the journey which we had saved. Let's close the Google Maps application and open this one, and let's close this driving mode. And you can see, guys, we are on the direction mode. This was the location we had saved, guys. Now, in order to save it by another way, again tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the share directions button over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to share this to anyone. But you can see the copy to clipboard option available for us. Tap on copy to clipboard. If the copy to clipboard is not available over there, guys, you can see there is the three dotted icon at the right side of the option over here. Tap on more and all of the means to share your location of your Google Maps will be available over here. So, guys, from here also at the top of the screen, you can copy this link to clipboard, and after copying it, just save it to your memos on your phone or your notes on your phone. And let's create a note and let's save it and let's paste it. And you can see, guys, that has been saved. And let's go back, and you can see, guys, the link is in blue. The moment you tap on the link over here, this kind of interface will appear. Tap on open link and your Google Maps application will open with your saved journey over here. And with that being said, guys, you can see the journey has been shown to us over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to save a journey on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.